Most people choose financial apps without understanding what they are actually designed for, and that's where problems start. Because in 2026, Current and MoneyLion may look similar, but they are built for completely different users. In this video, we are breaking down Current versus MoneyLion, so you can decide which one actually fits your money situation. Let's get straight into it. First, what is Current? Current is a mobile banking app focused on everyday spending, early direct deposit, and budgeting tools. It is designed to replace a basic checking account while giving you modern features inside your phone. Now, what is MoneyLion? MoneyLion is a financial platform that goes beyond banking. It offers cash advances, credit building tools, investing options, and financial products designed to improve long-term financial health. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though both apps help with money access, they are not trying to solve the same problem. Let's start with cash access. MoneyLion is stronger when it comes to cash advances and short-term funding. If Jake needs quick access to money before payday, MoneyLion is designed for that emergency gap. Current also offers early direct deposit and some overdraft features, but it is more focused on your main spending account rather than lending tools. But here's the problem most people miss. If you rely too much on cash advance features, you are not fixing the root issue, which is budgeting and income management. Now let's talk budgeting and control. Current gives you clean spending insights, simple dashboards, and real-time updates. It is easy to understand where your money goes each day. MoneyLion also includes budgeting tools, but they are mixed with other financial products, which can feel more complex for beginners like John, who just want simple tracking. Now let's talk credit building and long-term growth. This is where MoneyLion stands out. It offers credit builder loans and reporting features that can help users improve their credit profile over time, if used correctly. Current does not focus heavily on credit building. It is more about daily banking and money movement. In a minute, I'll break down which app is better for beginners versus long-term planners. Now let's talk user experience. Current is simple, clean, and very beginner-friendly. It feels like a modern bank replacement. MoneyLion feels more like a financial ecosystem with multiple tools in one place, which can be powerful but slightly overwhelming. So which one should you use? If you want a simple banking app for spending, direct deposit, and budgeting, Current is the better choice. If you want credit building, cash advances, and more advanced financial tools, MoneyLion is stronger. So here's the final takeaway. Current is best for simple everyday money management. MoneyLion is best for financial growth tools and credit building. And the smartest approach is choosing based on your actual financial goal, not just features. If this comparison helped you, like the video, comment which app you prefer, and subscribe for more clear finance breakdowns in 2026.